Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You already have the essentials: an account and repository access. First, open the repo page on Github. Because the UI lists the exact URL you need. Once done, look at the green code button to reveal HTTPS and SSH options, or switch to your terminal and run git remote v to see configured remotes. This first step saves time. Make sure to pick HTTPS for simple clones, or SSH if you use keys for authentication. Now decide which URL to use and why. HTTPS is straightforward, SSH is more secure for frequent pushes. Click Code and copy the shown string. If you prefer SSH but lack keys, generate one with SSH keygen and add the public key to GitHub under Settings. Once added, test with SSH git at GitHub. If your local repository points elsewhere, update it with git remote set URL origin followed by the new URL, so your pushes and fetches use the correct endpoint. Finish by verifying the URL works. Clone the repo into a temp folder or run git fetch in your existing repo. Successful transfer proves the URL and auth are correct. If you encounter errors, inspect permission levels, make sure your SSH key is uploaded or your HTTPS credentials are correct, and confirm repo visibility, private versus public effects access. One tip: always run git remote v to confirm the exact URL configured, then retry your operation after fixing any mismatch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.